Alrighty, I am here replacing a TXV on a Trane from 2009. I'm sorry, 1996, even older than I thought. The feeler bulb lost its charge, so we are replacing it with a new TXV. I've already unsweated out the old one, and as you can see, I got it all ready to go. I got it sanded and everything's ready. I got the TXV completely surrounded and heat barrier, which is this stuff right here. And you see I pretty much used a whole entire jar of this stuff. So I'm gonna sit there and try to protect this TXV. So I got to do this weld here, and then I got this weld right here, and then obviously then this weld right down here in the bottom. So we're going to do that, and then I'll get back with you, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, I got the first one in. Got that one right here all soldered in. So now I have two more to go. That one right there, and then the one on the bottom. I am using my devil's hook on my torches, for that way I can get in those hard to reach places. So I'll get back with you in a few minutes. Just going to get these last two brazed in. We'll see you in a bit. Alrighty, I got my last two brazed joints done. There's that one there and that one there. I'm going to go ahead and use my third port here, because that side's empty, and I'm going to fill it with nitrogen, and we're going to see if I have any leaks over here by doing a bubble test, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, I have removed my heat putty from the situation. I have it up to 210 psi to test out our pressures, and I have my leak detection test going here, and I see no bubbles, so that means I am good on my leaks. So I'm going to go ahead and let the gas out, and we'll get it on a vacuum, and I'll be right back. Now when you're working with the heat barrier here, and as you can see it is reusable putty, what I like to do after I have used it and it's starting to get a little dry, I like to put a little bit of Arctic gel in it. Just put a little bit in and mix it up. We'll sit there and reconstitute it to be reused again. So I'm going to mount my TXV bulb, and we'll get it on a vac. Be right back. Alright, if you took out the Schrader pin, which is what I did on my third leg here, make sure you put it back in before you get it on your vacuum over here. That way you don't have to redo your vac. I've put back in my sensor down here that I took out to make sure that I didn't accidentally heat that wire up, because you can see it did come around my TXV, and I didn't want my flames to shoot up and hit that wire at all. I have the TXV mounted bulb back right where it was at on the old one. So as soon as I get done doing my vac, I'll let the dogs out and check our pressures after we get it running, but that should be it. So thank you guys for watching, and hopefully you learned with me as I did this. And we'll talk to you later. See you guys.